Hello guys, I hope all of you are fine. In today's video, we'll be discussing the concept of regular expressions. Now, most of you might have heard about regular expressions in my previous videos. So, what are regular expressions? What are the operations of regular expressions and how they are related with finite automata? You will see this in the entire video, so kindly watch till the end. So the first important part is that what is the use of regular expression. Now, as we can see that we have all the operations of mathematics like plus, multiplication, division, modulus. These are all the operations which are used in arithmetic expression. But as we can see that we are not in finite automata, arithmetic expression has nothing to do with all the operations that we are going to do. So in regular expressions, we have certain kind of operations and how any string is accepted by a regular expression and how we can represent our finite automata with regular expression. That's the motive of it. It means these are the algebraic representation of various strings to check acceptability. So we have to accept what? Strings. Acceptability of strings. So there are many operations which are used in regular expression. One of them is concatenation, one of them is closure, and then there is another operation which is union. So how those operations are basically put up, but for that you need to understand what is regular set. So if I talk about regular set, so in easier terminology, what is a regular set? Regular set is actually your set of answers where a string is accepted. Like, this is a very simple example that I need to quote with the regular set, that I want to create set of answers that are starting with A. If let's say I'll just take a particular example. I want to create, let's say we were creating some certain automata. So we have input symbols such as 0 and 1. And we want to basically create the set of answers, or we wanted to create an automata that starts with 0, 1. Means which starts with 0, 1. So if it is starting with 0, 1, so it means I need to basically find set of answers and then we create finite automata. That's what we have been doing so far in lecture number 1, 2, and 3. I have told this thing. So if it is starting with 0, 1, what can be the set of answer? The set of answer can be 0, 1, 0. It can be 0, 1, 1. It can be 0, 1, 0, 0. It can be 0, 1, 1, 0. So these are set of answers, and it is an infinite set of answers for this particular terminology. But you need to notice one thing, that we have written all of them in the form of a particular set, and every answer is actually separated by comma. Every answer is separated by comma. So it means this is a clear example of a regular set, which is set of answers to accept a string. I hope this is clear. So whenever you have any sort of doubt, you can always ask in the comment section. So this is first thing that you must know, regular set, that is a set of answers. Then we have the next particular concept with what are the operations of regular expressions. So when we are talking about the operations of regular expressions, so there are three major operations that you need to take care of. First operation is union. Union means you have to add some certain values, right? Second operation is concatenation. And third operation is closure. So I will be like explaining this whole thing. I will do one thing. I will just write the union operation with two particular regular sets or certain answers, and then we can create an automata of that, and by default we can also create the follow of regular expressions. So we have first operation, which is referred as a union operation. So union operation means that we have two input symbols, 0 and 1. 0 and 1 means what is union between them? It means either it is 0 accepted or it is 1 accepted. Means if I write 0 plus 1. Now 0 plus 1 means that either your automata will accept 0 or it will accept 1. Means if you create a finite automata of it, either it will accept 0 or it will accept 1. This is your union operation, right? So this is one thing. And what is 0 plus 1? Actually, this is known as your regular expression. What is 0 comma 1? This is the set of answer. And what is the set of answer? It is a regular set. You have two input symbols, which is 0 comma 1, and your answer is also either 0 or 1. So it means your regular set would be either 0 or 1. They are separated by comma. This is a union operation. Secondly, if we have concatenation operation, concatenation operation means that your 0 and 1 will be combined and your regular set is 0 1. How will you basically create an automata of it? It's very simple. It means 0 is followed by 1. So we can always create an automata of 0 first is accepted and then 1 is accepted, q2. So guys, this is your automata of it. So what would be a regular expression? A regular expression is also because whatever is being done, this is 0 1, it is your regular expression. Now we have the third one, which is known as closure. Closure means any number of zeros and any number of ones. So I have told you various scenarios. If I have to take only single input symbol and I'm taking only 0. If I want to create an automata that accepts all sets of zeros, all sets of zeros means what will be a regular set? Regular set would be all set of zeros means no zeros, null, single zero, two zeros, three zeros, four zeros, so many number of zero, any number of zeros, or I would refer them as any number of zeros. Then how will I basically proceed? My automata would be q naught. Since null is accepted, initial state becomes final state, and it is having the loop of 0. Whenever there is a loop of anything that is represented in regular expression form, this is always represented by 0 star. So again, there are three sets of operations. First set was, if I have to basically summarize, it is 0 plus 1 means either 0 or 1. So I'm just writing a regular set. A regular set over here is, and this is a regular expression. If I'm writing 0 plus 1 means, if I'm talking about, I'm writing 0 comma 1. 0 comma 1 means either 0 or 1. This is my regular set. So what will be my regular expression? It would be 0 plus 1. If I'm writing a regular set as 0 1, so guys, its regular expression would be 0 1 only. So this is operation. And which operation we have used? It is union, it is concatenation, and last not the least, if I'm just writing all set of zeros, means null, zero, double zero, three zeros, considering we have taken only zeros, it would be referred as zero star, and that is known as closure. These are the set of expressions, and these are also set of operations, and that's how your regular expression is represented. So I'm just discussing the important points with regular expressions with some certain properties that we need to understand. So again, I would basically take any terminal. So these are some certain basic properties of a regular expression. So one of the property is if you are having null and phi. Guys, what is null? Null means any answer without doing anything, my initial state gets a final state, becomes the final state. So your null is accepted there. That is also a regular expression. And what is phi? Phi means nothing. There is no operation as such that has been taken. So that is also referred as a regular expression. If there is a regular expression R1 and if there is regular expression R2, so that means my R1 plus R2 is also a regular expression. We all know, like in the previous example, we have written 0 plus 1. So if 0 can be a regular set and 1 can be regular set, 0 plus 1 can be a regular expression. So if I'm writing, if I'm representing R and R2, if I concatenate them means combine them. If R1 is 0 and R2 is 1, so 0, 1 is actually a regular expression. Why? Because regular expression is the string acceptance of a particular automata. If I'm writing, if R is my regular expression, then R star is also a regular expression. Why? Because if R is equal to 0, so if R is a regular expression, then 0 star means R star is also a regular expression. If I'm, for example, if I'm writing 0 or I'm writing 1, right? Either 0 or 1, even if I have combined them and I put star over here, that would mean I will accept any number of zeros, any number of ones, and any combinations of 0 and 1. So that will also be a regular expression. Fine. So the regular expression, there are major properties of regular expressions which I basically told it over here. Right. So these are major things. Importantly, we have various identities of regular expression. These are some certain formulas that you need to remember. So if I'm writing phi plus r, it actually is r, because either it is r or it is nothing, it becomes r only. Again, this is very important property, guys. If I'm writing phi r and r phi, it is referred as phi. Why it is referred as phi? Because if I'm concatenating nothing with anything, the answer is nothing only. So this phi is actually nothing available. So now there is very important property that you all need to understand. Means if there is concatenation with anything with r, so if there is concatenation of anything with r and we are concatenating it with null, so the answer is anything. So anything concatenated with null is anything. So r concatenated with null and null concatenated with r. So answer is anything. Answer is r. Right. If I'm writing 0 plus 0, what do you mean by that? Either Q0 is accepting 0 or it is accepting 0. So it is going to final state. So it means either 0 or 0. So answer is 0 only. So r plus r is actually r. Now I'm writing 0 star, 0 star. What do you mean by that? Any number of zeros. So even if I just write a single 0 star, it is the meaning is same. So r star is actually r star only. So same, if I'm writing r star, guys, you can always invert it. It can be r star r. Means any number of ones with any number of 1 star is 1 star r only. So this can be proven, like for an example, I'm writing r star r and I want to prove it as r star. So I'm writing it as 1 star 1. 1 star 1 means that what is 1 star? 1 star means any number of ones. Null, single one, two ones, three ones, four ones, so many ones, and that is concatenated with 1. So anything concatenated with 1 means 1 will be associated with all answers, but in the last. It means 1 will be concatenated with this. 1 would be concatenated with this. 1 would be concatenated with this. 1 would be concatenated. It means null 1. Null 1 means basically you are going to concatenate all the answers with 1. So I'm concatenating 1 with null. Null 1 is anything concatenated with null is anything. So if anything is 1, so answer will be 1. There is single 1 over here. Single 1 concatenated with another 1, it becomes 2 ones. 2 ones concatenated with this one, it becomes 3 ones. Similarly, 4 ones, and so on. So guys, clearly this answer we are obtaining. I just need to prove that this answer is actually equal to this answer. So another answer is we have 1 star. 1 star means, now again if I'm proving 1 star is 1 is concatenated with 1 star. What is 1 star means? Null, single one, two ones, three ones, so on. So if I'm going to concatenate it 1 with null, it is 1 null, it is 1 only. 1 concatenated with 1, it is double 1. 1 concatenated with 2 ones, it is triple 1, and then there are 4 ones, so on. So guys, this is one answer. And if I take a backside of it, again we got 1, then 2 ones, then 3 ones, then 4 ones. Similarly, if I see over here a single 1, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, this answer is same. 1 star is actually equal to 1 star 1. So that identity is also proven. So we have got, if I'm writing 1 star whole star, so any number of ones and whole star, again that answer would be 1 star only. Why? Because that will have any number of ones. Fine. There is also this property with the null plus r star. It is, there is this property I will actually write, null plus r star. So guys, what do you mean by this particular scenario? Let me just take r value as 1. So I'm writing null plus 1 star, right? So it means my answer is either null, or because plus is there, so plus means that either my answer is null or my answer is 1 star. Now we all already know what is 1 star. So 1 star answer is single one, two ones, three ones, four ones, so on. So guys, all the answers including this null also. So the answer of this would be entirely 1 star. What is 1 star? Any number of ones, including null also, right? So similarly, it is actually equal to r star. Why? Because actually the answer was equal to 1 star and r was 1. So we are writing it r star, and I can also write it as r star r, because that will also give me the similar answer, right? So you need to understand that if I'm talking about one star, it means minimum 1 is accepted. If I'm talking about 1 star, means null is also accepted. So I'll just take some various questions, what kind of questions that we can actually do, so that you can practice accordingly. So there are certain kind of regular sets. They describe the following sets by regular expression. So there is one question which is given as 101, and it is a regular set which is given. So basically they have given us regular sets, and we want to find out regular expressions. So we have regular sets given to us, and we have to find out regular expressions of them. The first question is 101. 101. So guys, what is 101? If I have to represent it, you know, if I have to represent this entire scenario with a particular answer, so with regular expression, 101 is referred as 101 only. There is no change that I have to do. So there is no, because this is concatenation of 101. So the answer would also be same. Secondly, second question is given as ABBA. Already A is concatenated with B is concatenated with B is concatenated with A. So the answer of a regular expression would be ABBA. Now the next question is a very simple. Next question, just see, there is clearly a question given as 01 plus comma 10. Now comma whenever is applied on regular expression means it is separated with plus. So it means in a regular expression either the answer would be 01 or my answer is 10. This is the whole particular scenario. Now the fourth part is given as null comma AB. Again comma is there. Whenever there is comma, either the answer is null or the answer is AB, right? Similarly, we have another question also given to us, and the fifth one is AB, B, A, B, and BBA. So how would what can be the answer? Either the answer is ABB, or so if I have to represent it in regular expression form, either the answer is ABB, or the answer is A, or the answer is B, or the answer is BBA. Now I would take a last two questions with they have clearly given the previous question with null 00. Okay, so we have null 0, double 0, triple 0. So all zeros are being asked. So guys, just see, no zeros, single 0, two zeros, similarly 3 zeros. This is my regular set. It means any number of zeros. Any number of zeros means even no zeros also, which was also there. So this is a clearly represented as closure of a 0, and it means if I have to create an automata of this, it means this is your clear answer of finite automata, but your regular expression is 0 star. And the last and not the least, they have given us as 1, double 1, triple 1, 4 ones, so on. So guys, if you notice one important factor, there is no null expression given. When there is no expression given, so no null is given, it means my by default answer would not be null, means initial will not be a final state. So it means my regular expression would be minimum 1 is there, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones. What you can do, you can take 1 as common, and you, if 1 is common, can I write this one as, okay, I'll rather initially start with, can I write 1 as 1 null? I can write, because 1 null is also 1, 1 1, 3 ones, 4 ones, so on. I'm taking 1 as common. It means concatenation of 1 is there. So 1 concatenated with null, null is left. 1 is taken as common, single 1 is left. 2 ones are left. 3 ones are left. Similarly, what is this? You are having all number of ones, including nulls. So can I write this as 1 star in the form of regular expression? And 1 was already taken as common. So answer is 1 star. Now 1 star normally in other books and internet sources, it can be referred as 1 plus. 1 plus means all values of ones except null. So it is 1 plus and 1 star, and all values of 1 except null. The answer is 1 plus. It 1 star can also be written as 1 star 1, and this is the required answer. So in my next video of regular expression, I will be creating a finite automata from regular expression. I'll be taking various cases of how regular expressions can be made with various certain scenarios. But in this video, it was we had got the regular sets with us. From that, we formed regular expression. So next videos, you will have all sort of possibilities of how to get a regular expression if a language is given to you. So kindly like, share, and subscribe, and share it to the maximum audience. Thank you very, very much.